How's it going, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we are at the new, at least it's new for me, Bigger Bass Blizzard Christmas Catch. And as you can see, we can do some 360 euro spins. So we're gonna do these max spins, at least they're max spins for me in this casino. So let's just see what we can catch. So I suppose we only need 3 scatters, just like in other big base bonanzas. So yeah, let's see what we can catch then. I mean, last time we did a max spin big base bonanza or bigger base bonanza. I mean, it went super well, not properly in terms of winning, but the video, it's the most viewed video on this channel. I can leave the link down below if you haven't watched it yet. But yeah, hopefully we can reach that level again. Come on. Give me 3 of those scatters. I mean, this may be a little bit of a long video. Like, we have 100k. I don't intend to spend it all. This is, how much is this? Damn, 7k. We're back pretty much at the starting balance. Olaf has a brand new bike. Damn. Come on, give me the third one. We're still not in. Come on. Okay, we have 2 reels to get it. Come on, drop that scatter. Still not in. Damn, those fishes are being hard to catch. Come on, back to back. Drop it. Damn. Okay, let's give it 30 more spins. Okay, I mean, it's kind of hard to keep the commentary in this type of video because it's just spinning, it's not if something is going on. But I mean, so far we're not that bad. We've had, I don't know how many spins I put at the beginning, but we had pretty much around like 40 spins perhaps, and we're only 6k down. Considering the bad side, that's pretty alright. We had that big hit with the fishes all the way through, but the damn scatters don't want to come down. Come on, just 3 scatters, 3 fishes. Come on. Ah, damn. How many baits did we get already? Like 4 or 5? Okay, we have a chance. Come on. There we go. We're finally in a bonus. I mean, I think this is gonna be the same thing as pretty much all big bases. Yeah. So we want some Olafs catching the fish. Got one already, 4.8k. Not bad. I wonder if it also has like the 10x bottom line, 10 or 20x, I'm not sure. Oh, we just got an Olaf. Nice. Come on, 2 more. Two more Olafs and we're into the next level. Damn, 2 spins left after this one. Come on, give me the Olaf. Okay, okay, we don't need fishes, we only need the fish later. I know it's fish and not fishes, but... and we're just in the first level. I mean, it paid pretty much the same as the fish did at the beginning, but well, let's give it a few more goes. Come on, let us get in quickly in that bonus level. Right, we're only 5k down. Let's give it 30 more spins. Come on, let's make it spicy, let's make something happen. If we don't get a bonus anytime soon, we might buy a couple of bonuses, try to see the potential of it. I mean, of course the potential of it's gonna be pretty much the same as the other bigger base bonanzas, but still, you gotta try it to make sure. We are at 91k clean. Can we get another bonus? Come on, get us into another one. Okay. Come on. I mean, we're only 12k down. I mean, can we get something happening? That's the thing with these games. Like, I love the other ones like Sweet Bonanza and all, because at least there's something going on. Here you can get like 20-30 spins and nothing happens. Okay, I mean, let's just get some bonuses rolling. We're here for that, so might as well just see some action. Then we can get a 960k fish. Just imagine that. Okay, Olaf coming in strong with a big catch right off the bat. The thing is, this is already the 20x, so you might not even catch anything else. Okay, we got another Olaf. $4k. We're already at 10k, which is not bad at all. We got another Olaf. with 2.4k extra, and we are one Olaf away from next level, and there we go. 4.8k in this one, so that leaves us already with a total amount of 17,760. And I mean, we can continue getting some more Olafs. It will count for the next level, so okay, we got one at least. Okay, I mean, I'm loving the catches, but I need them to continue in the next level. Oof, this would have been a big round to catch some fish. But alright, second level, now everything is times 2. Every win, every catch. So, come on, don't be shy, Olaf. Just appear. Go fish. Olaf, what are you doing? This was a huge fish. Olaf is a little bit shy. Oh! What is the whale? Just random. Okay, okay. That's some nice big fish. Damn. It's gonna be 20k. Holy. 21,120. Damn, that's some profit. We're back at the starting balance. Okay, we still have, I mean, we can reach level 3. Okay, we got another Olaf. We have 2 spins to get to level 3. And that's another 9,120 euros. Or more because of that little hit. Damn. 51,000 clean. Can we get another Olaf, please? Level 3. Oh, we got it! Alright. We're going to level 3. Come on, we need to reach that last level. I mean, this was already crazy, as you can see, this 2x. Now imagine if we get... Oh, what is going on? We're getting catches right off the bat. I mean, 13k just with this. The fish wasn't even that good. Come on, get us to the last level. Come on, only 3 more Olafs, 6 spins to go. Come on, or please give me some hits. Come on. I mean, now it's kinda hard to get it, but we could get a hit, perhaps, in the last spin. No, but I mean, 72k, that's crazy. That's a huge win. That's more than 3 times what we bet. So, damn. We're probably gonna do a few more buys though. So, yeah, we're back and we're gonna do some more bonus buys. Let's just roll it. Probably gonna do 2 more, like this one and another one, depending on how much we win. So, let's see. Come on, I just want to get this fish. It doesn't even have to be a 2x, because I think that would be just max win, but come on, don't be shy, Olaf. Olaf. Okay, we got a first one and a whale. Oof, I mean, that's a big catch, but we want to get to level 2, please. But, alright, that's 10k already. That's almost half of the bonus buy back, but we really need an Olaf now. And we didn't get it, so we're probably not gonna get to level 2, so please get a big hit now. Damn, Olaf is really shy today. Not today, but in this bonus buy. Only one Olaf came out, but let's see if we get more lucky right now. Come on. Come on, big Olaf, do another one of those. 70k, please. Come on, Olaf. Just come out. We need to get to that level 2. Right. That's a small hit, which I don't mind at all, because it usually means that more Olafs are coming out. This would have been a nice hit actually, but Olaf, he really needs to come out now. What the F is happening? Really? A 2x? This is possible now? Damn, I thought it had a 10 or 20x minimum. But damn, now we know. Damn, bigger bass Blizzard coming in with the ripoff. But hey, let's do another one. Perhaps it's the last one, because we don't want to be down 50k. But let's see. Hopefully we live in profit. Let's go big cold Olaf. Okay, we get 2 Olafs right off the bat. Already 4.8k. Can we get some more? Okay, another Olaf. We are 1 Olaf away from level 2. Alright, level 2 guaranteed. But we can continue getting Olafs and get closer to that level 3. Come on. Olaf, don't be shy. Come on. Well, it seems like Olaf is not appearing now, but all that it matters is that he appears now on level 2, because everything is times 2, and that would have been great. But come on. Alright, we got one, not the biggest catch, but hey, we want that level 3 or a huge hit. That helps to the level 3. Okay, we got another one. We only need 2 more for level 3, and that's an okay hit. 4.3k. We're halfway through our initial buy. Come on. We only need 2 more Olafs, we have 4 spins left. Alright, perfect. We only need 1 more Olaf and we are in level 3, and things can get dangerous in level 3. Come on, just hit it now so we don't have to suffer in the last spin. Alright, perfect. Level 3 guaranteed, and that's a huge hit. 9.6k, that will put us back in the initial balance pretty much. Alright, now we're getting into the big dog league. We are back in level 3. We just need some hits here. Come on, last time Olaf didn't appear in level 3. Could he appear now? Oh, this would have been great. Come on, Olaf, just one appearance. Just say hi. Oh, alright, that's a great hit. 21k. That's very nice. That put us in profit in the video. Can we get some more Olafs? I mean, I cannot complain if he appears. Olaf. Well, it seems like this is gonna be it. Oh, that's a huge hit! Damn! 31k! Just like that when we thought it was done. Damn, Olaf does not disappoint. Oh, and just like that we double the balance that we had. 151k clean. We're not even gonna do a single more spin. I'm gonna take it. This is gonna be the video. Wow, damn, big base Blizzard coming in clutch. As you can see, it can be kind of volatile as we got the 2x, but then right after it we get 79k. So yeah, But don't forget, gamble responsibly. This does not happen every time. The casino always wins. So yeah, just keep that in mind. Thank you so much for watching. If you want, check out the other videos that we have in the channel. It has been a great time making these videos for you guys, and I will see you on the next one.